Okay.
Okay, we're back.
Want to put this trim on here? So it's up there against the wall.
Behind the seat one?
Yep, that long one.
This one also has little clippy bits. Do we want to replace them or?
Nah, they're all good. I think one of them was broken, but it's the actual holder. Yeah, they're all good. So this one's nice and easy.
Okay. I assume that the bigger bit goes like along.
Yep. So all we want to do, lift that out of the way. Put that down there. That one there. And guess what you got to do?
What?
Beat it into submission.
Thought so.
That's it. Perfect. Perfect. That's it. Job done on that. So now we can get that leather cover and we'll put that on there. Oh, I put it in the other garage.
Oh.
It was in the way. I'll go and grab it.